Left that alone. That cat me name brother and 9 life me have. You think me easy for dead? That not go happen. That will never. Bastard beach, you know. This is not the regular beach. This is the poor man's side. No, if you have no money to pay around this up, you can come around here so and still enjoy yourself. You can them tell us you have to pay around that front part there. Yeah. And we not carry back nothing with we. Eh? You pay $300 for company beach, that's a most private beach.
Well, me I said then should I just still can Brooke say, charge you and use the bathroom.
That's all.
You say me I say?
Charge for the facility.
You come on beach and now use bathroom where you have to money from.
100 to wash off, 100 to use bathroom.
Yeah, same brother.
Yeah, but you open up the beach, man, you will get more customers, so you know. You must get more people.
You say me boring and say me I come on beach because
yeah.
you have to pay $300.
I read one book and bonus slip. You have to pay $300 to go do that? Hey. And that beach is far enough. People go relax on beach. So, you know, see where you are going to tell me, say, we have to pay for the little moment where we are going to spend there. Tell me, say, pay for use the bathroom. Yeah. I'm willing to do it because I know it have to clean and we have to use whatever inside there. So, now tell me, say, pay for come on the beach, man.
They record better and more customer and more money.
Then they must make more money.
No, somebody go there and pay $300 to go there.
No. So, you are going to lose that customer.
You lose that customer.
While if you did free,
yeah.
If 50 somebody down there and 25 use bathroom, you don't make a money. And 15 wash off, you make a money. So we are trying to kill everybody we are come before they even go down there. Stay bad. We come around here, man. We can't find me around.
Alright, look, see much how we go. Somebody in there must go use bathroom and pay
money. Already. How you mean?
So you mean? Make a money off of it.
Once you go into the water and go home back, you go wash off. Because they have fresh water.
Make a dollar off of it just.
You don't test the bathroom.
Eh?
Hopefully me could have walked.
Yeah, peace and you know go on peace from beach.
You can't do it for the beach.
So you want to ride bike and see?
No man,
you don't do that on road, girl. Man, in time and night time, I do that and it's good for me, brother.
Yeah.
So I got myself with up.
You could have want to be there on your yard.
See there?
I broke myself, you know, so in the morning time, me ride bike and me not ride again.
Nah, ride again, brother.
No. I have bike. Yes, let me ride a morning time.
Yes, you don't have a bike yet. You don't have a bike at home.
A bicycle you have? Bike, you no call it.
Yeah. Bike.
Where you have?
Time. You want to name good and change my one when names to me used to call bike and man, me never used to down on a man can up on that like bike, brother.
Like you ride my bike. And that's why I name bike. Drop.
We used to sit down and drop whistle down in a hole for watch play with.
Drop straight.
Drop straight.
I used to sit down on that, brother.
That's a bike.
That bike we used to ride.
That's a bike, yeah.
We said that can't sit down pan.
We used to catch, you used to sit down on and drop down whistle down in a hole for watch play with.
No, sir. You're mad. Sit down on them there, brother, and turn up.
You stoop down.
Then suppose you climb up and it stand up and it cave in with you.
Well, you know, go on down way. You have a drop. Yeah.
Man, don't drop down that tile already and I'm sure rope drive up.
I can't want to drop that, you know.
Only for people drop that tile. Only for people to drop it when we are boy. But no tile it make no nobody can drop it. I don't enough to drop that tile. Yeah, man. Only for people, man.
Brooks, I'm glad they cut out that still enough.
Oh, you mean?
When you go and drop fear when you wake up, rest down there and
oh, you mean?
Fine, you know?
I want to man. What do you, man? Hey, you know one brethren in the drop in one when we are boy, you know. But we frightened. We couldn't run to piece of rope so far. Man, grab piece of banana string and send it down in the buggy such band, you know. And we hold it and come to you now, we are come with him, you know. We yet now when he catch up a whole more thing, bust off!
And sink deeper. Hey.
So
that's a close thing,
again.
Hey.
How what do you, man? How what do you, man? Yo. When the man come out, man, everybody have to run from him, brother.
So drop down in that 3-4 days still stink that shit, yeah.
Revive man have to head talk.
So catch you never used to use you couldn't drop down in there?
No. Drop down in that, brother. Anybody could have dropped in the
Hey,
jack, man.
hey, who are we using?
The car use it.
Hey, who are we using use
They
it?
couldn't drop down in a
What make?
Yeah,
What
the only
make?
thing I just because you never
What make?
drop in there.
You couldn't drop down in a
Never drop in there yet. Yes,
Two, you not drop in there.
Yes, you know, sir.
Man, ready to drop down in a them, drop down in there.
That I never
We
use.
work a Clarendon with paint, you know. And we left gone for lunch. But them a repair pit, them a paint house. Them a do all type of stuff. One night time when they forward back off for lunch, no man no see paint. They didn't tell all the 2 o'clock, no man no see paint. And them a say, no, but this no. Them call the lady in the house, they say then you know see paint a car, man look everywhere where you know a man that they all asleep or not paint a brother. When the girl tell you say one night time him see like one shed or one shirt I put on in a pit. All thinking pit I use for years, you know, but you know man a remodel.
Yeah.
Man do everything. Paint a drop in there.
And nobody don't know.
Nobody don't know. I mean, I don't know if I have a spike or an accident.
Or a what?
So carry with some people full of shit and sit when you can't ball out for help.
Out come the dark, you know, brother. Them have to go get light and when they look down there and see that man, you know.
Full of
And
shit.
then get him out. Everybody have to run. Stink and done duck, you know, man. Blood clot,
When
man.
care up.
When care up. Magic.
Booksy,
Hey.
must say, you have some year to year.
Yeah.
To you, man.
Warm to your brother.
Hey, Mr. The man rotten, you know.
He's supposed
Yo,
to
they're
afraid of himself.
Then run with him, go hospital, you know.
Must man.
The next 3 week or 4 week, paint a fat you up.
So what's that? Keep what name?
Fertilizer him get.
So let me say some good on him belly.
Yo.
Some good on him
You
belly.
see when them take him out, I bet him look scared.
Oh, he look wild.
Yeah. But you see the next week, the man pull out like when jackfruit ripe, you know. Pull out, you know, man.
So you say if a man want to get fat time menu with that.
Dropping on one of them there, brother.
If you're not dead, you must fat.
Him dead the other week. Half time get fat.
You're almost dead, brother.
Him dead. Remember me tell you, you know, dead the other week half time.
They never got a doctor, because you have to go a doctor, you know.
man.
If
Him
you
go
say first person, should
doctor.
have got Brooksy and see.
Yeah.
Him go doctor.
Yeah. And then
See,
after
but
see,
soaking and see one
doctor.
more. You know why, you know?
Them wash
Drink
off
all
paint
some of
a
them
good
water.
man.
With what? You see what I
Who was on them something and carry my doctor?
Who was?
Yeah,
Who was
man.
carrying
You
the doctor?
already know what
Doctor.
doctor you was wash him.
Mind your iron salt.
So doctor now I'm not to wash him.
That soaking and impulse, you know, that can't wash off.
So doctor now I'm not to flush out that out of
Wait, that in the impulse.
that.
They think
Then my man soak in there, you know.
And long in the farm.
Long him in the farm. Come like husband then turn back in a lunchtime, then chop off. Then the next week half time get fat.
Then did I try kill
He
self?
must dead, man.
Look like him did that try a suicide. So walk down, slide. Drop in a pit.
Dropping a wrong wall.
Yes, so them paint this here something here where everybody I work on. You know, I say they are not like a strange man on the block.
Him dropping a wrong wall. Yeah.
And I hell that you know.
Yeah.
Time then, you know, me I tell you,
Yeah,
a
so-
big man, you know.
He not go can, you know, and only for resistant to them
No,
germs there
body
in a
can't
field
resist
body.
Yes, they can't definitely drop down in that somebody see the same time.
And
In the alright,
get him
but
out,
it's
yeah.
soak.
Soak,
Soak in a him.
You couldn't dead same time, you know.
and then, man. Them man rotten in a man, and the man come up in a man.
Then a much man.
Yeah, man. Man come up rotten, me I tell you, bro.
That no good to paint that all.
No, sir.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, some man got
Only
to
for
oil in
people
a
there
life
we
with
drop in a toilet hole when we are picking, man. Them all long time something they fuck with them, the people who have the yard still in a brethren. Because only for you go get bumped, show me that. Only for people get bumped in and something back then, you know. Because you know all back then when time people think they were so modern and people that here use them the outside something. Them things they no nice, man. Outside kitchen.
When you think about the raise up of them system or them something, you know.
And prices will buy myself in there now. A pandemic, man.
So I know we cost.
Then see a pandemic make everything real.
So much
So me never know say disease care prices when it
price to all.
the thing them we get on top of we know. We can't manage to buy them or something anymore again. You
No,
understand?
no, no.
Check everything.
You man I go can make house, you know.
Yeah, who never make it already?
You understand?
Yeah.
Me and
You
man
man I
say
go
like
can
a
make house.
$6,000 for one sheet of ply.
Nearly
Seven.
$7,000.
Yeah.
Some place are 7.
How
6
much?
hard.
Yeah.
How long a sheet apply, sir?
Not even 6 months if you know they are good dry
Well, they
place.
are good
And you know
market, bro.
sandashy and them something there. You know service long again. Cause they not good.
When you reach ply, what about food where people have to buy daily? Everything with flour in a raise, you know.
But look what happened to. This can't look good to no nation. Remember,
At
you
the
know,
same time, you know,
majority people lost job.
You know, yeah.
Nobody now work like
Nobody
before.
world, you know.
Right. So how if you pay raise a price for any farmer item? Where you go get money from and you not get no pay bill again?
That not going on in other country.
Eh. Where if you use by remember say if me did a work at one place, you know, a dance gate me work. Sell jerk chicken.
And dance lockdown.
None so no dance now key. So me can't sell no chicken again. So when me fi use buy bread now and it raise.
But
Eh?
remember, pay and raise him.
They know it me I say. We never not get paid. Cause who they work now work. Where you saw where we are get paid. School are going for your work at school.
No, it's not.
They know we are going to get paid.
No,
Eh?
that's not key.
Alright. Nothing now going for we get no pay. Look how much people we for them hustling can't go on now through what the pandemic.
So we don't have no benefit to get from the government.
No, man, government no responsive way, man. No responsive way. You know, get no benefits, so.
So true, me can't shop no price, man. Me I go get fucking eye business.
Price man sell half stick of butter.
No,
Sell quarter pound of saltfish.
no,
You sell bilge oil.
no sales.
Well, we can't shop in this, so.
You
You know, sell one tin of milk now, one last cup.
Yo, you know, it's the corner shop. The
Corner shop.
Corner shop.
Me
Nobody
and
know
you
how we
buy.
dead in a man.
Ah.
But
Alright.
remember, say man say a corner shop make COVID a raise up in a Jamaica, you know.
Oh,
And that thing say, you know.
oh, then where we fi go buy?
The man say the corner shop them a cause the hike.
Corner
So
shop.
that's
Some
why-
of them places where people are fight to go in. You,
But not-
you not even fly, you can't pass the closest.
But corner shop no go
You
on
ever
so.
seen a corner shop
no
full
stop.
of
No, but look when he said early lockdown and he look on the supermarket them.
Yes.
Oh, supermarket line from top to bottom.
Yes, because if you say at 3 o'clock,
Everybody now want to catch the one.
everybody a try to catch the
The
deadline.
1 hour,
Yes, so it will cost
everybody
more.
a try to catch the 1 hour.
Yeah.
So there's some missing crowd.
Same
Yeah.
way go. But if
When
you can't
people go
buy
to
corner
collect
shop,
money
go buy
and then something
the
there.
quarter
Nobody
pound of
now shop
saltfish.
no corner shop for bungalow up a corner shop.
When me
where-
go adapt, me not see nobody line up
Yeah.
a wait.
They not open. Corner shop not be open.
Me not see nobody line up a corner shop a wait, you
You
know.
don't see nobody there wait.
Sometimes I go shopkeep out the door a cool out cause nothing nah
Nah,
sell.
sell.
Oh, when me and say, if I corner shop, no people putting down chicken pan Sunday, you know, because
No.
Sunday night you get one little money.
Yeah.
And you don't have no fridge.
All
So you
right.
must be got the corner shop.
Yeah,
him something
go buy
Sunday
what you
morning.
cook for
Yeah,
Sunday,
Sunday
yeah.
morning and
And
him
every
rice.
day, and not even Sunday alone.
Every day that you must be done.
Every day.
Some man a Sunday him get paid.
Yeah. Yeah.
And Sunday when I all
When
day
you work
lockdown or
Saturday
2
night.
o'clock lockdown.
Yeah. Some man a Saturday night them working
Saturday night him work and I go there one night out I
whole week him get to work. Right.
Yes, so
I
Sunday
sell some
morning
peanut
him
and
get
sell
a
some
money.
jerk chicken. So Sunday
But-
morning.
but
Or
them-
him work at one club or somewhere. And him get a money tonight and him, that's it.
But look how he mess up. Them now open up a place for Jamaican promoter and entertainer then can eat a food. But what day when me look down a Negril, down a Ritz,
Yeah, man.
big dance keep down the
Big
Mocha
party
Fest.
keep down there.
Eh?
Big party keep
And
down
then say I no feel local.
No.
I feel will fly
Yeah, man.
tourists.
Yeah, man.
Something bias, man. It's unfair, you know?
Down the
Yeah, man,
park.
it's so unfair.
And then when it come out in I walk me now, the government a try draw out themselves out tight. So them never know nothing about
Yeah,
it.
they not
So
go say
how
they
we
didn't know
keep?
about it. They not
And-
know.
and-
oh,
and
when they come
Jamaica
and they way
tourists.
up in the hills
Mhm.
and play one little boom box sound, you know if you go turn here.
Yeah, yeah. But that don't and
And that's a big public something where it's come
Yeah.
from TV everywhere that
Jamaica Tourist
So
Board
one of them
endorse
must
it
see
every
what
year.
go on there.
Yeah. And then they say make it couldn't go on this year. That no could have put off for this year. Cause nothing not key. So that could have put off. Yeah. Just make them know say well we not keep it this year.
Right.
Right. Simple.
And then just come and issue one little apology.
Yeah.
And it done this. So me no see like them charge them. Me no hear if them a go court or nothing.
No. It
But
done
being
this
him and
up.
he keep one little birthday party and then charge him.
Yeah man.
Charge him big time.
Corner
Big
bar
time.
keep one little round rabbit.
Then charge.
Charge
the
you
promoter where I do it.
$100,000 and $500,000.
Yeah. Anyway, one little something go on.
Police come.
And
Fear,
then
the
go.
thing on fear,
Then
brother.
can
Yeah,
get
man.
either you feel lock off, and if you don't want to do them, obey the order, then we charge you.
Yeah.
This just a show you
See
say.
him
Yeah.
that's why he can't get better.
So and that's why some of we feel like say this are just to affect poor
Yeah.
and the poorer class.
Yeah,
This are
this a
affect.
affect
Yeah,
poor people,
yeah,
man.
because
Yeah.
look here. When you
The
when you
big man
really
can
look
still
at it,
keep him thing.
Yeah. You keep him thing on in private apartment and nobody know
You
what
got
going on
hotel,
and him, you know.
hotel I run right through. People bungle up in a pool and all about. People line up, bungle up in a line to go get food, especially when it's all inclusive and
See
something.
'em.
Then rich people they are benefit.
Yeah.
But me and you where we keep one little round robin so we can feed with
Feed
family.
family,
We are
yeah,
think, we are suffer
right,
because we
yeah.
can't do
Because
nothing.
we have a little partner shop then where we throw a little partner round
Yeah,
robin.
we little
this
round
week I
robin.
feel that man, this week I feel emoji, that next week I feel that.
Us
you
thing
know?
you put a man fill lock up from 6 o'clock.
And you can't have more than 5
Such man
customers in
now owe
your
me
bar.
$2,000, you know. When him reach me shop after 6, you know.
Yeah,
I may not get paid this year.
because you laugh.
Because me lock up and I feel that $2,000.
Maybe for the rest of the week, me can't get that from such man again, you know.
Because
of
people
understand me,
excuse
and
that
me
when he
lock
come
up.
here, you laugh, you
When
know.
me lock up.
Yeah.
But me not feel lock.
Right.
Yeah, you
Because
see.
police come, they
So
come
all
see
the
you,
man
they
that we
see
are
you.
trust from me all week.
Yeah.
When they get paid, you know, if they can spend 100 with me. Me not did it.
At time feel that.
You know, and you can't blame one way just because maybe
No.
you have to buy something we can go here to cook tomorrow Sunday. So,
Alright.
you understand?
That's what me
So
I
when
say.
him come, you lock.
You lock up. Yeah. Yeah, so the time when you have to make a money, you can't get the time to make it, you know,
No.
because you have to lock up. Yeah, man. So the system just against me, you
Because
see.
most corner shop at night, they make a good money too, you know.
Yeah,
And
then
bar.
people don't gonna work
After
during the
everybody
day.
And nobody
don't
now
work,
got
no.
bar at
In the
daytime.
evening, a man
Yeah.
come home now and say, alright.
Man,
you
I
know,
drink
say,
liquor in a day.
Me
No.
live up there so you know
That's
more.
what brother.
Me live up there so on the hilltop there. But down in my community, 2 bar and shop or something down there. So me come off of me hill in the evening beer and put on the
Yeah.
And go all of it.
Sit down and bun 2 slip and drink
one
1
beer.
beer.
The man now make a dollar again, you know, because
No.
me can't go down a shop go drink 2 beer.
Yeah, man.
So how we go?
You there like your gate and police are pass them and tell you go inside.
Yeah, and you gate.
And I me gate me
there.
there.
Home all day, man. Me not tired of in a house, man. Me no must want to come a gate come look out. Police say me fi go in. Cause after curfew hours. Me no dey on the street.
You there, you get.
Down me gate.
When me
So,
say no still, I'm more than 1 year now. We dey on this curfew lockdown something. And if the curfew did a work, we wouldn't reach so far with it where we have to still a continue with this
Yeah,
curfew.
yeah.
So it shows that the curfew is not the
The
solution.
solution to the problem.
Curfew
Right.
can't fix the problem.
No,
So you
no.
need to go back to the drawing board and come
Yeah,
with something
Curfew
different.
make it work.
The curfew make it worse. Because me and me 2 goat now. We're
Not
tied in
even
me yard.
crime and violence curfew
And
will
when
not
me
stop.
gone in Moji from certain time, the man with thief goat.
You have all time to go do
The son who they out if you see him say him a go with nobody.
Nobody know for the pan road again.
Nobody know the pan road.
But
so
the
him
thief
come
they
now,
still out
and
there.
he can take away your 2 goat and when you wake a man, he come going from 8 o'clock, you know. I watch TV, you know. And when me pull a man and back run a back, me 2 goat gone. Thief have more privilege.
Them have better access.
And not thief
People put
alone,
them to sleep,
Oh,
all
you mean the goat
criminal.
gone before me drop asleep? But to me inside lock up, him
You
come
no
round
know.
the back and just gone with me 2 goat.
Crime
Walk
get
over bush
more
gone with
brawling
him.
now.
And the mass again when he have on. From and him see him a go down road with 2 goat.
Yeah.
He could have name things say, I know me.
Yeah, because you have a mask.
Alright, sir. Nobody no know how.
Man
You
ride
see
up
me?
here pan bike, shoot you.
Shoot
Mm.
you.
Man,
In a
now go
mask.
watch him, you know, cause all of where they
All
are.
of
you
where
know.
they are.
You
have
see the
a
man in the
mask.
and now you don't come nowhere.
You know, come nowhere.
You know, if you come,
You know, be fear of nobody again. Cause everybody have a mask. So this masked man ride up on him bike and shot with that with little corner, play to that. Remember we don't know what we're going to, so we must hang up on corners and play a little game, you know. And so you get gunshot. Our police come say we have to go.
How much are we can live indoor life?
No, sir.
How much are we?
Can't
afford it.
Who have sitting there have to comfort and everybody have that.
And everybody have
Yeah.
TV. Some man don't have current where him live, you know.
So you have to go home and
Somehow we don't have fan much
Hold on.
less yes.
You
On
see
time
enough
at
people
so.
we live in the
Yeah.
country where not have electricity in their home.
Whole heap, man.
Whole heap of people not have
Remember, you know,
electricity,
with the beach now, you know. Months gone, we couldn't do this freely, you know.
No.
Police come with siren, come tell we to leave.
Two
Yes.
o'clock curfew. 2 o'clock curfew. Alright. You know where this looks like to me? This shows like a prison with it. Because when you're that prison, you know, you have a scheduled time with the warden and then tell you, say,
Yeah.
a lot
lock
of
down.
time now. So they might give you a little free time from 9 o'clock.
Anyway, they
so
are
till
also
2:30.
courage back
So
up
you
down.
hurry up to reach
Anyway,
back
they-
your cell.
So just like when we
Alright.
go out now, go
Same
work.
way.
Our work can't come from it, but you hurry up.
But we
before-
are hustling
before the
Accident.
hour catch you.
So we
Car
call
accident.
accident.
Whole heap.
Out a road. Yeah, somehow we don't get to reach home because you are rush.
Yeah,
You rush to get to the supermarket down there so you get something to carry home to, you know.
Say that go 80, start go 120.
Alright,
and
because
this
you
time,
rush to get to the supermarket.
This a cause for accident to be going.
Me no think them sit down and look into them something they then just a tell them say if a night
Me
alone
done tell them
corona
already,
was
say, if you give the people them free access, make a one care about himself.
simple.
Yes.
And that the rest of country them I do
Make a
know.
one concern
Make you
about
concerned
yourself,
about
but you
your
put
life.
out your advertisement them
Make
with
them.
the disease.
Yeah.
Where the people them can't
See.
contact. So
Yeah.
if you know one careful, brother, it's up to
It's
you.
up to you. But my country
Yeah.
have to keep running.
But me
Yeah.
no get it. You open up a daytime, business place, bank, supermarket, ray.
Remember night time, make
Every
you sleep.
less people the
Less
road at
people
night.
move.
Night
Overnight.
to sleep, you know.
So where curfew
What
for?
the difference?
Where curfew
Make
for?
no sense, no make no sense with you.
Me feel like a target for entertainment industry.
Me
still.
see it so too.
Yeah, me feel like
No dance, no fi go on and yeah.
Dance
And because of that now look what me
Yeah.
know. All I entertainer them they are foreign.
Because look what
Yeah,
you see the
entertainer
reggae
go
music.
ahead.
Reggae music I want something. Before me even born, me hear say a reggae music put Jamaica where it reach.
Yes,
Well, we
now
are gonna
reggae
dash with
put
that fan
Jamaica
now.
Panther.
Why train that we build we know. Two we cross the river now we dash where we stick.
If a man have something else can show where see I know reggae put Jamaica Panther, he can show him, let me see.
Tourism them say now.
Tourism.
Tourism.
Tourism, me don't know about
yeah.
it.
Then see that. Put the band cap now. Because and they so the money I make now more.
Where?
Where tourists come and down a Falmouth and Ochi.
So one my boy place and where tourists no go.
Nobody no respond.
But you
to
keep
them.
on little dance at night time and a man
Make
can
free
eat
your
a
money, 'cause no
food.
tourists no come to Port Antonio no more
So we
than
only
Portland.
can entertain tourists only.
That's why they have big
So
fest
what
down at
do
Negril.
we don't need no entertainment.
No, we make we sing them and make we music them and we
And
reggae
after
them and
we
we
sang
rhythm
them,
them.
tourists are come
We
big.
come listen to out here.
So we can enjoy them.
No, we not fi enjoy them. No more Dennis Brown no fi play again and no more Bob Marley.
And no more Bounty Killer. and
No.
Alright, the whole
no.
time DJ they kind of cut down well for violence. and
Foreign
saying,
artists now, foreign artists. Foreign artists song fi sell and fi we no fi sell. And that a happen. Them a go kill out the reggae music, you know, then not done till them get rid of the car era. The white people them have tried to kill reggae music. You know. And black man have help them kill it too, you know.
So how we reggae do them?
Me wouldn't like to know, would I like to know that. Would I like to know. Where reggae do, and that's when they say I eat put Jamaica on top. What make uno come now and try if it done with reggae music and dance all.
I know I will culture.
Look where dance all bring to this island and reggae music.
I will culture.
Nobody no remember the great Bob Marley and Peter Touch and Bunny Wailer and them man anymore again.
But you see where it come down to future say a tourist then cater about.
A tourism.
We as local there you can't enjoy we place, you know. Cause see we go over there and then say 300 a head for go a beach.
Beach free.
300 a head. Wanna charge white people and we live here. If we make we go enjoy we place. I feel we
Look
country.
here, slowly but surely, they might take away everything from
Yeah, you soon can go one beach, you know.
They might take you away from away.
And one little public beach there, Portland, you know. And when you go there now, you see woman sit down again with pants.
So
And
just
stretch
wait
out
till we're
hand.
free, so,
Down
yeah,
a Winifred.
Yeah.
I'm not going to tell you so if you pay.
And era, Winifred, one place where them be the fight to take you away from
Yeah, so we
town.
wouldn't have
And
none.
the people them up at East Portland fight to make them not take away Winifred from
We wouldn't
up to
have
now.
none.
Up to now, we don't know if we still have it.
If we have, we wouldn't have to pay doing it.
Alright.
Them charge one little something when you go in.
Well, we
them
have a
there.
problem to pay one little
Yeah,
fee.
because them have to
Yeah.
maintain
Like
the
a
place.
15.
Yeah.
Me agree with that.
But not tell me say me have to pay else me can't go
300 a
in.
head.
Me not know until we can go in.
So if I 10 a win at the car at $3,000, you know?
Yeah.
At $3,000 if I 10 a win at the car. You could have win by buy a piece of pork up at the drugstore.
And make a next man can eat a food.
Yeah. So here and now, we no either buy no pork up there and we no pay no $300. We come round here so. We're free. Round at the poor people part. Yeah. When we are go back now, the youth, when we come to him place to come over here, we give him one little something.
Tell him buy a
You
drink.
really see how he keep the place clean for you up and for, you know? Me rather forget that you there, brother. Trust me. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Same thing. Same thing. We never ever do nothing different. And up to now, nobody come here, we no use bathroom yet.
And look how the place nice. And look how the place nice.
Yeah, work the cat, you can see it. What this some blood clot kick?
Up a such man.
Hey.
So when I look for this, it's something that the dog will come there. And him run with dog.
That's how we need a look for.
The barrier, they might chop up.
My,
We give him power a piece. The dog for go away. So I said then him couldn't make the dog test piece.
That's the one being for us.
Yeah.
How many man
Carry
carry
home,
home?
go boil soup.
so what do him when him boil that soup there?
Make him have to wear pampers for months.
My dog, man.
I know Tom alone him out. No, nice and that.
Woo!
Here, drop out.
Me eat a couple times, but I one place me eat it from.
But this is kind of hard for you know say something with poison in your
I eat it. I feel good for you, you know.
One man shot him and pop one soap and feel fridge.
Where you say you have proper?
If I miss my yard, I don't cook any bar I'm cooking.
Now where do you mean Papa 3 cards for couple?
Shot him and one pan in fridge for 2 weeks in fridge, you know. He want to come about bar of the can, so I tell him sorry, I will sell man. So come to the from now. So one day me there home and him tell me say, you can't come sit down and I say, yeah man, go for it. Line up a busy. Yeah, I'm one cup of coffee, you do not
Try to get through.
Proper said it. He said he forgive my canon.
What have you done 20 years? What have you 20 years? What happened to me? I don't used to be a heathen.
What have you tell it here?
Yes, brother, what do
You say fry out busy in aisle. So that curry. Me say, out of my friend we have a restaurant along Bay. Every time she cook it, me say Vanessa me want it. But me pray over y'all 2 times.
Such man.
Ah,
Yeah, but me have a little thing can't stop. No, brother.
They don't know, so the man, me tell them something.
I sweet is fish.
Me tell them something, this man, you know. They say, no man, this man, it's not me not man.
They eat barra,
It's not
you
me not
can't
man. I see. Tell them to come test this man.
That's why he's nice, so he don't like to fuck you up.
Me steam barra, you know.
Yeah, man, I nice, it's 52 man.
Steam
When
it
you fry that to the brother.
and drink the toast.
I mean. That's why you me like Barra. Barra head too.
You can't do that.
Train your cat.
So you know when it poison. What you can do? If you know say this poison.
Put it on one side, not flying a pitch pan it. Not flying a pitch pan it.
So when it poison, if not flying a pitch pan it.
Yeah,
So then I say if you give your dog one little piece and you know eat it.
if the blood bitter, you know, so it's not
If
good.
the blood thin, you poison. Make tongue get heavy.
Yeah.
Your dog and you know eat.
Me no want it neither.
Yeah, fried dog and one, you know.
Eh? Say if you buy a big barrel now, $4,000
And
you
me
come
cut
and throw
off
a piece
piece,
of
the
dog.
puppy and
And you know
puppy
what I
funny.
mean? We are going to dash you
Me
$4,000.
and buy me now cookie. Them puppy that I want 3-day puppy still there with me.
Yes, because you give him piece and put the rest in the fridge.
Yeah, and check him and watch him.
Then that's so much you have to go through for this Fisher.
Me buy pies, you know.
You don't want it.
Me buy pies, you know.
You don't want it.
And a barrel alone pies with that, you know.
The ain't a barrel one. Just pies too.
And sprat.
Spread pies.
Black man in a hole no care, brother, because the man them know Barra price, the man they not talk to me.
Then now stop go see you go catch it.
Barra go
Shark nice.
You know what I
Man,
mean?
he's shark, you know.
Shark nice.
Yes, sir,
Them
Yeah.
boy carry a fork and already, you know.
Shark
Yeah,
nice.
them boy catch you on the beach and fuck
Yes,
you
sir,
up.
yeah,
I'm down there solid, man. Do right.
So what do shark different from the rest of fish then?
Yeah, man.
So the rest of fish
Yo,
them yeah,
that's
man
one
too.
slice stick on the beer back.
Yeah.
And white. Like
Yeah,
saltfish.
Bridget, now give me one big 5 pound.
Nice.
Coming like
Fleshy.
car seat.
Fleshy.
Thick.
Hard
I
pickle.
look like
Yes,
saltfish.
them
I make
thick
it dry
car
out.
seat.
Yeah, man, me carry them got chew a knife in here.
Yeah,
man.
But every fish named man. And the rest of them named dead man.
Lick off one man and then gone, mommy.
And when I see it on phone,
I
we shall
dead.
take off man hand.
A dead man, the rest of fish then name you know. But shark name live man. Yeah. The rest of fish then come like crab, you know.
Me no want none feet. I'm not going to shop.
Hey, them boy road for boy
I
crab.
don't believe me can eat.
A man come there quarrel say they not eat no crab cause crab name shit.
Cook up shark. Scumage and brown stew all and something down shark brooks, man.
Yeah.
Nice, this a shark. Not name bone. Low and
All
meat.
flesh.
Calf waist you get.
Yeah, man. Neck. For that thick part, yeah, so. I'm shoulder.
Them boy down a beach.
You eat
sun
crab?
from boat and sun.
Crab. No, sir.
So you eat fish.
Fish different from crab.
But I eat me I try to tell them
And
say
nothing
fish.
do crab make me not eat crab. Me just not eat crab.
Okay. You think I like them man we are say crab eat dead things make them
Nah,
not eat
man,
crab.
nah.
Never eat
man.
crab, eat family crab. It's something like that.
So we can go crab bush then.
No.
No.
I made a plan for we go crab bush one night, you know.
Me can't catch crab.
All in there back.
Never catch them.
Can't catch crab.
Me afraid of
Can't
them.
get nothing to eat, mommy.
Jimmy have to
Oh,
go.
go and run us so.
Yeah, the crab up here.
Awa.
A soup cook and a far crab car.
Yeah, man, one time I got park school in a cat. I walk on train line and I saw one crab of 5 pick up a load of water shit, responded just shit, you know. That vehicle and can't get nothing, you know. I parking car and a soup cook.
You have to come for this shovel.
Must go back to his
People
spoon.
want to go back to his spoon.
Why
You
would you
don't
not
crab,
eat?
brother.
You don't eat crab, Brooksy?
No. No do crab. Junk no eat, you know.
So that's why you don't eat it.
When me I do it.
One day we go river we boil about 5. In a noodle and pepper.
So when I back part,
Me no know cause I clam eat.
say like the back part.
No.
Good for the banana, you know.
Me nah go round there so me nah go round there so.
In I back, in I claw.
Me see mama pick out on something see I egg them ya.
Out the back.
Ah, frig up them me no
So
look.
when I live off the back, Brooks, you have be a black sitting in, you know.
You don't know what around there so we eat.
Drain them, drain out there so.
So when I know the toilet run I back.
Yeah, then I drain off and scrape out where they don't want from there so.
Scrape out the toilet.
A beer flesh on that toilet, you know. A beer flesh on that toilet. You can't see it.
The wickedest crab I'm eating now, eggy cookie give me, you know.
Alright.
Ryan cook crab give me in a coconut milk that bad.
Then them crab I want to come and see. Them big red one then.
Them
Yeah,
king
some big
crab.
red crab I see them, man.
King crab. Them the full of flesh.
Expensive, you know. If I have crab fish like that, I don't have mandible there anyway. We don't have West Day. Yeah, man. Expensive, man.
All little matafin them they expensive.
Me nah eat matafin.
Them
Yeah,
expensive.
people cook, what the people cook matter.
Yeah man, when you go some place and buy seafood boil a matafin then you, yeah.
And pay who you see nice and
Matafin.
yeah.
Yeah man, when you go some place and buy seafood then give them.
Where must have been he?
Them expensive.
Sun.
Son.
Yeah, man, a sun matter finish.
Salmon. And fish belly, and fish belly, but you like snail fish and so fish.
Then there's something they all crabby.
Just two left here.
What? Crab me have everything for land.
We not talk about land crab.
Ah, sea crab. Okay.
Land crab nasty still you know.
Yeah, man, they come from fast.
Crab no pass nothing.
So you never eat crab yet, Brooks?
Never yet, yeah. From the barn. Me never hold a crab yet.
You never sell a free of them.
Me not touch him. Me afraid him climb him more.
You never got a crab bush yet?
But do walk, go catch walk, we walk with him. Now me not eat.
We are go.
You never got a crab bush proper?
No?
First in everything.
Me go strike crayfish.
Yeah, me know about that.
Yeah.
You got a crab bush, calf?
You got crab bush?
Got a crab bush.
You not eat it.
Crab boil soup at all,
Me eat crab, you know,
People eat crab everywhere, you know.
but not land crab.
Curry.
Sea crab.
You follow them people who get crab all go.
Yeah, me eat crab one. Me eat one big crab one time. Man. Big like jelly. So.
Them like crayfish.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I say it here.
Like crayfish.
And the land one.
Yeah, me eat tonight
Here,
here.
you see sea crab there? The fish set that big red one, they cook down in the coconut.
Yeah, you try it.
Me would I try. Era, you see the crayfish in a coconut?
Bad
And when I wicked is something me by
You know when there's something coming out, man, see you can't get it by your good.
Yeah, you have to have good links to get one good size crab like
You have to
that.
buy your price smart. Sell a price smart.
No, if I make them, they make a price, man.
Hey,
Hey.
price man, they don't sell one little piece of crab.
But they wouldn't sell one crab.
I want
Yeah man, they have your one bag out in a fridge.
10 grand for one. It's for 10 grand. But me now go have 10 grand to buy one crab a price, man. Because inside no one them boy catch one crab and nobody don't want, you know, take
Sea
it.
crab.
Sea crab man.
Okay.
Compatible means, you know.
You can't cook it good. They now go do.
Yeah, man, a good meal, man.
Yeah, man,
Give me feed me something.
Take out the
Wow, crab.
fresh crab.
When I see it.
Yeah. Take out the fresh and
Some
some
crab
crab.
meals already, man. I'm trying to see none of them big red ones, them I go buy.
Cooking on
Yeah,
that one
man,
of yours.
and call you and pick you up, man.
Yeah, but the man who have me half an install, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I tell you, the crab nice, man.
Never name here.
Yeah, man.
We I get one for your dogs. But the little man there out there start serve.
What look like they don't tell me Brooks here, crayfish?
You know, so somebody tell me say they have whole heap.
When?